Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Lay phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam takasni. Iingkashari Meghalaya hagajing Bthah jung division bench bakin thobi Chief Justice IP Mukherjee but Justice W Dingdo kala ai hukumi ka sarkar Meghalaya ban thaw no mardor ya ka Police Accountability Commission hapo ka Meghalaya Police Act 2010 hapo saubnai. Kani karai kami hadian ba usri Nilbert CH marang but usri Fleming B marang kila file daka PIL number 7 of 2025 bandawa baga sarkar kadiban pentrei kam ya ka kendon an kablami lakomba khatsan snem minshwa Henry Ompat pentrei satya Iingkashari ko ong bakani ka commission kalong ka bakongsan ban khmi bat pinbet yaki jingdon buit be an ne jingbam man ki pulit kumjuru ban ai jingmut ya ka sarkar bar katnat pulit halor ki jing toket kandon ru ka bor ban pinmi jing Bthah lada ka jing toket ka pulit kamlong ka bahok lani ka pinslam ka sarkar ring bau AAGN di chulai kala ong badan ki we ki an ki bala khmi lupa ya ki ki kam Henry Iingkashari ka penshai balada kumta ka sarkar ka haban penkala ne pendam ya ka Meghalaya Police Act 2010 Katba ompala le ya kata ka sarkar ka haban pentrei ya ki kendon ki bala bu hakaan ka PIL kelakut da ka baka Iingkashari ka aijing Bthah baka sarkar kariban thaw no ya ka commission hapo saubnai
Hello Meghalaya turns
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen, an OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world, with over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya.